Hello and welcome. I'm Eric Dables, the founder of Data as a Product. Our mission is to promote best practices in data product management and to build a collaborative community where we share our knowledge and experiences to grow our careers. For over a decade, I've been developing innovative data products for leading companies in insurance, financial services, and retail. Throughout this journey, I've had the privilege of collaborating with many industry leaders, and this has greatly contributed to my career growth and success in data product management. These experiences have developed my skills, deepened my expertise, and enabled me to drive impactful and measurable results. One thing I often hear from my friends and family is that they just don't understand what it is I do. If you've ever watched Friends, you might recall the character Chandler Bing. I get compared to him quite a bit. But one thing that is clear to everyone is my passion. My passion for leading transformation at large Fortune 100 companies. My passion for launching products at startups. And my passion for working with the newest and latest technology in an innovation lab. In addition to building data products, I spend my time sharing experiences and knowledge with others and learning from them. And that's why I founded Data as a Product, to be a resource for the best practices in data product management and a community dedicated to career growth. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out your career, I believe there's always something new to learn and explore. At Data as a Product, we offer a range of resources, from in-depth articles to online courses and hands-on workshops. Our goal is to empower you to excel in your career and make a meaningful impact in your organization. Together, let's build a future where data product management drives innovation and transformation.